Welcome, evergreen traders and investors. This is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. Today is December 17, 2019, and this is EquiTalks episode number 53. And in this episode, I'll be talking about Pepsi-Cola Products Philippines Incorporated with a stock code of PIP. Let's call it PIP for short. Okay? And in this episode, I'll be answering the question: is it still good to buy Pepsi despite the tender offer? TO? Well, let's get into it right away on the analysis part so that I can give you the answer to that question. PIP closed today at 1.91 pesos per share. Support is at 1.85. Resistance is at 2.17. We can round it up to 2.2 if you'd like to. It's a net foreign buying worth 900,000 pesos. It's a relatively insignificant amount, so we're not going to uh, put a big notice on that net foreign buying. It's a bullish 10 SMACD combo, and risk level is already extremely high because of the historical volatility score of 171%. And it's the total turnover value today reached 23 million pesos. Local traders were the main uh, price action initiators today, and foreign investors, like what I've mentioned, they are net foreign buyers today, but they are net, they are net, even though they are net buyers for the entire year or year to date. Their participation, just like what they showcase today, is insignificant. So there's really nothing that we can significantly factor in from their participation. So take that for informational purposes only. Now, the on my trade and volume distribution analysis, we can see that the dominant range is on the middle or in the middle of today's trade and volume distribution chart. So it's really quite tough to say whether we have a bearish or a bullish momentum power indicator today. But in this case, given that it's a somewhat neutral, I would give the score to the bears in this case. So still, there's no confirmed buy signal. But even if we get a bullish momentum power indicator, I would still not advise you to buy Pepsi. You'll learn more about it in a few seconds. Why I said that. Okay? Now, for now, the true market sentiment of Pepsi for today was bearish. For week to date, it's also bearish. For months to date, it's also bearish. So here's my recommendation. This is the reason why I said you should not trade or enter a new position or buy more of Pepsi, regardless whether we have a bullish 10 MACD or and a bullish momentum power indicator. Did you know? Did you know that a Korean conglomerate, Lotte, how do you pronounce that? Lotte, Lot, I don't know, Lotte. Okay, it's acquiring about roughly 58% of the outstanding shares of Pepsi. And FYI, this Korean conglomerate already owns more or less 39% of Pepsi. Now, if once this tender offer is completed, they will have owned almost 97% of Pepsi. And according to law, according to Philippine Stock Exchange, every single publicly listed company must maintain at least 10% uh, float level. They must maintain that public float level. Otherwise, they may have to engage into an involuntary delisting. So if they, in other words, in layman's terms, if Pepsi will fail to maintain a public float of at least 10%, they will be obliged to follow the law by involuntarily by delisting the company, delisting Pepsi from the Philippine Stock Exchange. So, and FYI, the tender offer already started last December 12 and it will end on January 15 next year. So my recommendation is don't buy more shares of Pepsi. Accept the tender offer or sell at a higher price if you can catch that price. So same advice for those who don't have Pepsi but are planning to have one. Nope, I don't recommend trading Pepsi at this point because it's more than likely for this stock to be delisted from the Philippine Stock Exchange due to this significant acquisition of Lotte. Okay, so that's the answer to the question. Is it good to buy Pepsi? No, it's not good to buy. It's goodbye. All right. So that's it for today's EquiTalks episode number 53. Let me also invite you to follow us on all of our social media accounts. If you're listening to this one in SoundCloud as a podcast, or if you're watching this video via YouTube, there are links on the description right below. Click those links so that you can connect with us on our social media accounts. And also, visit our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on resources and then click on learn so that you will see our EquiTalks library. All of the resources inside this EquiTalks library are for free. And you can also sign up to our newsletter. It's free also. Sign up so that you will be notified through email every time we publish a new EquiTalks episode or a new analysis or something very important. Anyway, we don't publish anything that's not important. so so newsletter, sign up. Don't forget to confirm your registration. Otherwise, if you will only sign up without confirming your registration, you will still not be receiving emails from us. Take advantage of this one. It's free. Okay? And also for those of you who would like to know more about my evergreen strategy that's applicable whether you are into short-term trading or long-term investing, go to our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on the course menu on top. Course page. Course menu page. And if you'd like to know more about our subscription service, wherein you will have an access to our investment guide for long-term investing, daily video with 10 trade setups for short-term trading. What else? Access to our private clients forum where you can consult with us, ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for any stock in the Philippine stock market. And number 4, for you to have an access to our study room where you can ask us to check your analysis and give you a grade or a score. And number 5, so that you will have a free account with First Metro Securities and for you to have a 2-month free access to First Metrosec Pro, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines. And number 6, for you to get the opportunity to earn 20% commission whenever someone subscribes at Equilyst Analytics through your subscription, through your affiliate URL. Remember that you will have an access to our study room where you can ask us to check your analysis. Once once we've once we've identified that your analysis is already up on par with the way we do our analysis, we're going to publish your analysis on our website with your picture, with your author's biography, with your affiliate URL, so that you can distribute it, so that you can share it with your friends through email, so that you can share it with other traders and investors through social media. So when they click your affiliate link and they subscribe to us, you will get 20% of whatever amount they will pay us. Referral. Okay? So go to our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on subscribe menu or page. Subscribe menu or page. And if you have more questions about our services, feel free to email us at contact@equilyst.com. Again, my name is JC De Guzman, and thank you for reading, listening, or watching this EquiTalks episode number 53. Always remember, be evergreen.